Hi, good morning. Today's topic is about the derivative of radical functions. And for differential calculus, we have the sample problem here. Y is equal to square root of x minus 1 over square root of x plus 1. And we're going to use the formula the derivative of u over b is equal to b du minus u dv over v squared. So, of course, this is over dx, no? So, this one is, first you convert this radical form to exponential form. We're going to use x minus 1 raised to 1 half and x plus 1 raised to 1 half. No? So, we find the derivative of that. No? So, y prime is equal. No? So, b is x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And the derivative of x minus 1 raised to 1 half. No? So that is over dx. Minus no? U dv, so this one is ru. X minus 1 raised to 1 half. dv is derivative raised to dx of x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And since we're going to square the denominator, that denominator will become x plus 1. No? The square of x plus 1 raised to 1 half is equal to x plus 1. No? So we continue. We find the derivative of x minus 1 here. So that one becomes, this one is x plus 1 raised to 1 half. So this one is 1 half. No? So power formula, we subtract 1 to the power. And that one becomes x minus 1 becomes negative 1 half. No? Since 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half minus x minus 1 raised to 1 half. And the derivative of that, no? Subtract 1 to the exponent, so x plus 1 raised to negative 1 half. And 1 is the derivative of x. This one is 1, the derivative of x. So, just the same, we are using the same denominator. No? So, for this, we're going to change the numerator to its proper form. We avoid using negative exponents, so we're going to use 1 half as quantity x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And that is over x minus 1 raised to 1 half. Excuse me. And that is minus x minus 1 raised to 1 half. No? And times 1 half. That is over x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And all over x plus 1. So for our numerator, as you can see, we have different denominators, no? That part of the numerator. So what I'm going to do is get the LCD of that, which is x minus 1 and x plus 1. raised to 1 half also. So, to combine that, so this one is x plus 1 times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. That will become the power of 1. And we're going to copy x plus 1 raised to 1 and minus x minus 1. X minus 1 times x minus 1 raised to 1 half is equal to x minus 1, that will become a whole. And we're going to use the LCD for the numerator, or for the denominator of the numerator. So this one is 2, no? Because 1 half is 2 times quantity x minus 1. X minus 1 x minus 1 raised to 1 half times x plus 1 raised to 1 half. And that will be all over x plus 1. So then, we'll combine the numerator. So x plus 1 minus x plus 1 over. That is 2 times quantity x minus 1 x minus 1 raised to 1 half times the quantity x plus 1 raised to 1 half times x plus 1 raised to 1. So, x plus 1 minus x minus x is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We have here, so we continue here. No? We have here 2 over 2 times the quantity x minus 1 raised to 1 half x plus 1 raised to 1 half and x plus 1. X plus 1, yes, no? Raised to 1 half. So we cancel out 2 here. And that will become, for our final answer is 1 over x minus 1 raised to 1 half and x plus 1 raised to 1 half and also x plus 1. So now we are ready to convert this into radical form again. So that one will become, for our final answer, this will become 1 over x plus this one square root of x minus 1 times square root of x plus 1 times that x plus 1. No? So this is our final answer. No? Our final answer is this portion here. So 1 over x square root of x minus 1 times square root of x plus 1 times x plus 1. So that's it. Please be sure to convert the radical form into exponential form before proceeding in using this formula here. No? So that's it now for today, and thank you again for watching. And please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, no? And please don't fail also to click the notification bell. So thank you again for watching, and see you again later. Thanks.